Okay, this is part 2, and I'm explaining the importance of this at the end of this message. Okay, we know that in schools, they contradict themselves because they teach that the earth is revolving around the sun, but yet, even in the English language, they're telling you what the sun does in the word itself. Okay, we have sun rise, sun set built right into the word. They're telling you exactly what the sun's function is, that it rises and that it sets and gives heat upon the earth, gives light upon the earth. Numbers chapter 2, verse 3. And on the east side towards sunrise, those of the banner of the camp of Judah came according to their division. Enoch 17, verse 4. And they took me to the living waters and to the fire of the west, which receives every going down of the sun. Now Joshua chapter 10, verses 12 through 13 tells it all. Then Joshua spoke to Yahweh in the day when Yahweh gave the Amorites over to the children of Israel. And he said before the eyes of Israel, sun, stand still over Gibeon, and moon in the valley of Ayalon. So the sun stood still and the moon stopped. My brothers and sisters, if the earth is revolving around the sun, then why did Joshua tell the sun and the sun and the moon to stand still, and Yahweh stopped the sun and the moon? That's because the sun and the moon are the ones doing the moving. The earth is stationary. It does not move. It is not revolving around the earth. Okay. More scriptures. We look at even Sirach chapter 48, verses 22 through 24. And Isaiah, the prophet, who was great and trustworthy in his vision, had commanded him. In his time, the sun went backward. This is in Isaiah 38, verse 8. See, I'm bringing the shadow of the sundial, which has gone down with the sun on the sundial of Ahaz, 10 degrees backward. And the sun returned 10 degrees on the dial by which it had gone down. The sun is moving, not the earth. So 2 Ezra chapter 5, verse 6 through 45 through 46. On the fourth day, you commanded that the sun should shine, and the moon give its light, and the stars should be in order, and commanded them to do service to man who was about to be formed. My fellow brothers and sisters, this is the point. They don't want you to know that our Father Yahweh is literally right there above us, okay, and that he's caring for us, and we are the focal point of his creation. He is literally watching over us. He loves us. He feeds us. He clothes us. But they want you to think that he's a million galaxies away and that we are non-existent. He doesn't care. The point is, he's right there above you, watching over you. We are the focal point of his creation, and we must serve him and love him and keep his commandments and believe in his son Yeshua and not believe a lie.